Though The Simpsons writers downplay claims the show predicts the future, fans are still eager to spot the times the cartoon gets it right. The long-running animated comedy has an uncanny talent for looking into the future with incredible accuracy. Fans often share the Simpsons predictions online when a new claim emerges. So here are the 10 latest prediction claims for 2021. Number 10. Virtual reality food. The Simpsons made it back to the future, this time to 2030, where Homer and Marge chowed down on virtual fudge via VR glasses and feeding tubes. Although you would think the whole virtual no calories thing would have trimmed down the junk food junkie patriarch, it didn't. Meanwhile, in the real world, Royal Caribbean is looking into giving their cruise line guests a VR dining experience. With every bite of food, you are transported to a new setting. And food scientists at Cornell University found that cheese eaten in a pleasant VR setting tasted better. Number 9. Mind control through music. A 2001 episode of The Simpsons called New Kids on the Block scared the bejesus out of parents with its plot that had Bart and his pals a new band that unwillingly was a PSYOPs project by the Navy Department intended to feed children with subliminal messages in their music. Their biggest hit, a song titled Drop the Bomb. Number 8. Robots take over. The Simpsons predicted mass automation in 2012 with robots taking over the jobs of many humans, which many believe is already happening, but a robot coup was touched on long before that. In a 1994 episode of Itchy and Scratchy Land, the family visited a theme park manned with robots that go off the rails and kill everybody. In the 6th season of The Simpsons, Homer is left fearing for his life when a crowd of robots came to life in a bid to harm his family. As incredible advances in technology continue to shape modern life every day, the idea that robots could potentially take over the world and humans is not completely far-fetched. Number 7. Big Ben goes digital. Big Ben has made many appearances in The Simpsons over the years and on more than one occasion has been seen with the digital clock face rather than the traditional analog. The Lisa's wedding episode in 1995 once again cast a look into the future, as in 2010 when she was in love with a Brit. A trip to England to meet his parents showed the famous clock tower sporting a new look to the face of Big Ben. Digital display. It reappeared 17 seasons later next to the St. Beatles Cathedral in the Holidays of Future Past episode. Big Ben's chimes have been silent for a year and won't be ringing again until 2021 due to repairs, but going digital? Nah. Number 6. Merging of several networks. The Simpsons almost exclusively exist to predict the future. Here's what the long-running animated show says is coming next for the planet. In a flash forward to the day Lisa gets married, a news telecast showed that ABC had merged with a couple of other major television networks to become CNNBC-BS. TV networks, film studios, and production companies are merging all over the place the last few years, so anything is possible on that front. They have done it before and they will do it again. Number 5. Hologram mail. Another look into the future had a deadbeat Bart getting a hologram message hiring his band for a club gig. The booking signed off with "Smell ya later," which replaced the customary goodbye. HD3 holograms, a 3-sided holographic display case, are already available for use in stores and installed in more than 500 Best Buy stores. Could hologram mail be close to reality? Maybe, but one thing is for sure, it won't be cheap. Number 4. a living house. The Simpsons may have had its fair share of impressive celebrity guests, but one of the best it ever had to make an appearance was Pierce Brosnan. Rather than playing himself, he played a house. Yes, a house. In particular, a house that was in love with Marge. Considering we've all got Amazon Alexas in every room and we've seen Black Mirror, we all know what is just around the corner with smart home technology. This fully interactive, weirdly intelligent house is just one of the many articles we'll see in the future. Number 3. Faster travel. In the season 16 episode Future Drama, Bart and Homer take the hover car out for a night on the town. They quickly travel to the destination thanks to quantum tunnels, aka wormholes. Sometimes these tunnels are quirky. On one trip, Homer and Bart pick up Futurama's Bender. It may not be a wormhole, but Elon Musk has been working on a project to speed up the travel of people and products. Called the Hyperloop. It uses small pods on maglev-type rails. With electromagnets to move things forward, the Hyperloop pods can supposedly travel at speeds of 750 miles per hour. Number 2. Female president. Another slightly alarming presidential prediction came from right in the middle of the Trump presidency. By this point, Trump had already demonstrated his methods of running the country, so the idea of one of his offspring being passed the baton was quite alarming. The Simpsons made a rather subtle point of suggesting that the first daughter, Ivanka Trump, would run for the highest office in the land when Homer wore an Ivanka 2028 campaign button in a 2016 episode. They again tossed shade on Ivanka in 2017 by marking her father's 100th day in office. It is conceivable that Ivanka could run for president, and although they are preferred qualifications of Supreme Court justice, the Constitution does not stipulate anything one way or the other. Number 1. Colonization of Mars. Marge is not thrilled when Lisa volunteers for a future one-way trip to Mars, so she volunteers to go with her. In fact, hoping to dissuade Lisa, the whole family signs up. The idea behind Exploration Incorporate's expedition is to colonize the red planet before 2026, a date that moves up to like the end of the week. The takeoff fails but Lisa and Marge make it to Mars in 2051, only for Lisa to announce she wants to move to Venus. While Elon Musk's SpaceX is currently developing Mars-bound cargo flights for as early as 2022, fully colonizing Mars would require an out-of-this-world budget. And that would be all. Let's end this one here before it gets any creepier. If you think you enjoyed, do press the like button. In case you want to continue watching videos like these, go to our YouTube channel and have some fun, guys. Make sure to drop some comments and tell us how you like the channel. We are signing off now. Keep vibing.